Hi guys, hello again. We are gonna be doing a unboxing of all. So this is BoxyCharm, the normal. This is Boxy Luxe,
and this is the Ipsy bag. This is the first time I've ever done a subscription thing. Everybody always talks about it.
How much is that value?
I don't remember.
$10.
$10. Yeah.
$10. 20.
40.
40.
Yeah. So Ipsy also has like a, I don't know if it's Ipsy Luxe or I don't remember what it's called. So I'm kind of staying on it until maybe I can get on that little dealie.
This is the newest for Jan.
This one's actually December. So this comes out every 3 months, every quarter. They basically upgrade you to this if you're on that subscription. Automatically.
Now, Ipsy does samples, right? Mm-hmm. And BoxyCharm does full size.
So for $10 more, you get full sizes. Just
right. But the only problem with that is if I don't like it, then I have a full size for.
This is true.
But I don't like to waste things.
But if I like it,
But if you like it, then you have a yeah. So let's see. We have Generation Clay. Is that the brand?
So what if it's like a face clay?
Yeah, it's brightening purple clay mask. So your face will be bright purple.
That's
kidding.
cool.
Gonna look like Casper.
A little brush
That's a
from
pretty brush.
That is a cute.
Farrah.
Farrah from
Abraham. Her nasty ass brush? Just kidding.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't think so. I assume not. So Farrah, Farah. It's cute though. It feels super soft. Oh yeah. Everybody's fingers. Everybody's dirty ass fingers. Soft, huh?
Ooh.
That feels nice.
That's really nice.
It's pretty too. I love having
Pretty brushes.
well, ones that are like distinct because I have all different types of brushes, so they're easy for me to like.
Remember.
See which one I like. Let's see. Frozen lipstick. I'm not missing out. Hashtag in Mart. Heart. I don't know what that hashtag is.
INM.
INM heart. Oh, it's INM O cosmetics. Oh, I guess that's an O.
Oh.
They have their O's a heart.
The O is a heart. Okay, so INMO cosmetics. Color is I'm not missing out. Please be a color I'll use.
I'm not missing out.
Wow.
INMO. Woo, snap.
It's like gold and red.
Bronzy.
I don't know if it's the color I'd ever use, but I feel like it's gonna be one of those colors that has like the gold on the outside, and then when you start to use it, it's just red. You know, where it's just the topper.
The bottom is red.
Oh yeah, maybe it just adds a little shimmer to the end, but it is pretty. It's pretty color. Different. Okay. Ipsy. Way? Is it way? Is that how you say that?
Mm-hmm.
I always say Quay.
Quay, but it's O.
No
What is
Q.
that?
Scalp and body scrub.
That's cool.
That is a cool one.
Refine and treat overworked skin and hair with this foaming probiotic coconut oil infused scrub featuring gentle exfoliating sugar crystals.
That looks like cool.
This
It
is
would
a
do
full size.
miracles.
This looks like it'll last me forever. This I probably wouldn't use that much, so it'll probably last
I
me
would say I
forever.
used to have Ipsy. I haven't had it for about a year and a half now, and they've upgraded their sizes.
For $10.
Better.
Buttery super blendable holographic illuminator in duochrome glow with multi-dimensional prismatic sapphire pearl finish. A lot of these say cruelty free, so I don't know if all of this is, but a lot of these say that. And I'm one of those people that doesn't like to rip in boxes, so it takes me a while.
Look at her makeup collection.
All my boxes are still with all my makeup.
Everything's still in the box.
It's easy to travel with. How cute is this?
Oh my god. That is so freaking cute.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I can't open it. What in the world?
That's like purple. That's supposed to be a
Multi.
Mermaid
highlighter?
color.
Oh, it's so soft. Oh wow.
Oh wow, yeah, that's pretty good.
Super soft.
Put it on my cheek.
So soft. Okay.
This is definitely like unicorn.
Oh, it's really pretty. Can you see?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
It's pretty.
I would have never ever chosen this.
Well, but it looks pretty.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it looks really good. But I would have never thought. I would have been like purple.
Yeah, me too. I would have been like,
Oh, it's pretty. It just says December bag and nonsense. Okay, and then take home the bronze anti-orange bronzer. Perfect. It has some sexy man on the front. Just kidding, that's gross.
Oh.
No.
oh, it's from the bomb.
Is it? Oh yeah, the balm.
They are a great product. I mean, great.
So that's
company.
a bronzer.
I
Thomas.
like that bronzer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it is a pretty color. Can you even see it on my skin? Might be a little bit light for me, so you guys might have to take this one.
Ooh.
Oh, that's way for you. That's
That
not for
is
me.
totally
That's
for
like my
me.
skin color,
Can you see?
because I'm not orange.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Alright, that's you.
Perfect
That's
thing.
yours. Okay, so that's everything I got in Ipsy. All of this stuff, I would never have been like, oh, $2 for each. I'll buy all of them. So I guess it's kind of a good thing to try new things, but we'll see what I keep getting. I'm not against any of this. This is all really cute, and I usually end up using all this kind of stuff anyway. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Let's see what's going on with BoxyCharm over here.
Moving on
Check it.
to the $20 value.
Ooh,
Okay.
Bite Cosmetics. What color is
This
this?
color is sweet cream.
Sounds too light for me.
Ooh.
I love that.
Their packaging.
Yeah. Yep, not my color.
That's totally
Totally
fine.
Selena's color.
It's pretty.
Pretty.
That was pretty. Tart.
Damn, that's huge.
Exactly, full sizes. Hentai.
There's never anything from, there's like one thing from them that I've liked.
From Tarte?
From this Rainforest of the Sea collection.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh. That's pretty. Those are pretty colors.
Yeah, it wouldn't do anything for my skin.
No? Check out shimmer. Okay.
Perfect for you.
Really pretty, yeah.
It's cute packaging.
Mm-hmm.
It's all rough.
Oh my gosh, I really want to try that.
This?
Yeah.
Me too!
Oh, you haven't tried yours yet? So Desi and Selena both get BoxyCharm.
I haven't received mine yet, so this is my first time seeing any of this right now.
But you don't get the same stuff, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, similar. Sometimes I get some things different.
It is a
liner?
roll on.
Oh, I've heard of that. I heard that was super gimmicky.
Some people got that last month.
Pretty cool.
Stroke.
That stuff is really good. I have it.
Don't despair, repair.
What's the brand? Oh, Briogeo.
I think it's just like a leave-in conditioner.
Oh. Okay. And then
Gotcha. I really want to try their products. There's a few things I'm probably gonna try soon. They're not cheap, so it'd be nice to get them in these kinds of things. I'm gonna go with my Ipsy bag for this one, 'cause none of these really tickle my fancy.
No? Oh my god. Well, I guess you said this isn't a color that
This isn't something I would use personally. This color I would never use. This is like stuff that I just randomly. I'm not like a hair person. If you haven't been able to tell, my hair, I never do it.
I will tell you, most people aren't, and they need this in their life.
But exactly. So if that was something that I got, I'd be like, okay, I'll use it. Probably wouldn't go on my way to buy it though. So
You need to.
I probably do.
same,
And
but
so
I
do all
wouldn't
of you.
really go out of my way to buy that, like the Ipsy stuff either.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying the hair stuff. But as far as this bag, this box versus this bag, I'll keep my
choose that
Ipsy
one.
bag.
Yeah.
In this case, anyway. I think I've seen stuff that people have gotten in Boxy, and I'm like, wow, that's really cool. Now we're doing the big box.
So if you guys were interested in getting a percentage off, I'll leave it up there for like 1, 2, 3.
So you get this brush set. This
How
is from
cute.
Lux Beauty. It has a whole entire face brush set in it.
Oh, really wanted to come out. Ooh, that one feels nice.
Look at this. Oh, look at that guys.
It just looks weird. It just looks really bizarre to me. Like all chubby. Well, this
Bunny bunny.
It's weird. Okay, go on.
Alright, there's that.
Or wait, what is this? Driving Beauty? So the company is what?
Lux Beauty.
Luxie. Got it. Luxie.
Oh,
Luxie.
And then this little cute guy. This is from PYT.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
It really is.
Wait, you haven't even seen it yet.
You don't even know what it
It's
is.
like a mini sweater, right?
Look at how cute.
So cute.
This is adorable. This is amazing for traveling.
Shut the door, Layla. Thank you.
Close it. Be really good for them little baby flyaways or little baby creases that you have, or if you travel a lot.
So cute.
Next, we have.
I actually haven't opened any of this stuff, so.
What is it?
This is okay. So this is a palette
From him.
from
Violet Boss.
Pro eyeshadow. And
Is it like maroony color?
you about to find out, girl. So this is what it looks like on the outside, and this is not playing games today.
What the?
All right, bro. I can't. I'm over it. I can't. All right.
Oh wow.
Snap, son.
Taste the rainbow.
Those always fall out.
Oh, pretty colors. That's a huge palette.
Some of them are shiny. Some of them are matte. It's really
Me
pretty.
gusta, me gusta.
So there's that bad boy. Next, we have Wander Beauty Wanderess Dusk to Dawn.
What is
It is a bronze and highlighter palette.
Cute packaging. Okay, yeah, I couldn't get my brush on it.
I would never use this. I'm not gonna lie.
That color's pretty though. I mean, these colors are
I like
pretty,
the two outside ones.
but
But yeah, like for a bronzer, usually you
why
have a
are
fat brush
they-
and you're gonna like get up in that. Okay, I have to say, this thing is my favorite thing ever.
What
So
the fuck is it?
I got. I'm about to show you.
you know what it is?
Body wash
Spongel
buffer.
Blossom Bliss.
Spongele.
Spongele. Beyond
Blossom
cleanse.
Bliss.
This is literally beyond cleansing. Okay, it's a body wash infused buffer. So
Body wash infused.
this is the bad boy.
Oh, okay. And
It
it already has
already
body
has-
wash in it?
In it,
Mm.
it smells good. Smell it. And it seriously exfoliates so smoothly and so clean. It's kind of gross because you see all your dirt on here and then you just like rinse it off and it's crazy. It's
But
amazing.
does it like waste fast?
No.
I am like a glove, like.
That's how
type-
this feels like that.
Okay,
It
cool.
feels really rough and it's like really cleansing.
Okay, because I can't do like soft shit.
No,
Yeah,
no,
no.
it doesn't feel soft whatsoever.
cute.
And then last but not least,
Oh, that's
not least, this little makeup bag, Glam AF. And then this comes in it, which is really cool. It's a little charger.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a little portable charger.
What if it doesn't fit your
And, well, that is great you asked that question, Angie, because this one is like a iPhone one, a little iPhone charger. And then there's this little section like right here. You can't really tell, but there's like a little hole right there where you can plug this guy in and put in the other kind of USB or whatever
Those are
USB
the
you
old
have.
USBs. Go on.
So is that like your phone? Oh,
Ours changed to... Ours are just like the MacBooks now. Yeah, at least it's something similar because I hate how iPhones are like something that are nothing like anybody else's.
yeah.
That sucks. So it tells you like what's on it. That's really cute though. And
really
it's super
cool.
like thin, so it, like
You could just throw it in anything.
yeah, you can use it.
And then this little bag is cute. It has a little divider right here in the middle. You can't see it, but there's one. So you get all of that in your Boxy Lux, and that's like $40 every.
I think this alone is like 40 something bucks.
Well,
Yeah, I
I will
think it's
tell
like-
you right now
yeah.
how much that is.
Oh, does it tell you?
Rose gold brush set, $65.
Okay, well there you go. We've already.
Your
Violet Boss, $45.
there's a collagen cream that is really good, and that collagen cream is from Elemis, and it gives like just a really good hydration, but you also feel a little tingle in it as it's setting, and it's just like plumping all your collagen and making you look nice and full. Nice, full, and tight.
What the hell? I wonder what happened to it.
That is $89 itself.
Wow.
The sponge is $20. The straightener is $75. This little portable charger guy is $22. So I mean, this is like really worth it if you like getting little things like that. Oh, here's a little picture of
Of everything.
That's the collagen cream right there.
Totally worth it as far as pricing, and I'm sure there'd be plenty of times that I'd be obsessed with a lot of things anyway.
Yeah,
Just not this thing.
yeah, totally. you guys let us know what you would prefer or what you have, or if you guys know of any other subscription boxes that you feel like are even better, or
if there's any other ones that are just worth it.
Until next time.
See you guys later.
bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
300 giveaway.
Subscribers, it's giveaway.
Bye.
Bye.